Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a little unboxing here. I think it's a gift to the channel from Addicted to Blades. Wanted to give something to the channel, maybe for some giveaways. Let's take a look, see what we got. Alright, today I'm opening up with my Bull Knives XYRO. Zero? I don't know what you call it, but XYRO. Wonder if you can pronounce it. Great little knife, love this thing. Let's get into this box. Well, actually, you know what? I don't think, I mean, you didn't have to, I normally tape this because it is kind of easy to open. So let's see what we have. Ooh, 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 wow. Okay, so let's first look here. All right, what's up, Blade Addict? Hi, Rob. I hope this finds you well. Much love to you and yours. Love to your channel and keep up the great content. Man, thank you. Thank you so much, Addicted to Blades. Appreciate you. Keep up the great content. Here is some channel swag for you, for your giveaways, and a couple of blades. Stop by sometime. Oh, absolutely. Addicted to Blades, if you haven't checked him out, I'll have a link in for his channel in the description down below. But we have some things in here, so let's just knock it all out and see what we got, man. This looks like stuff for giveaways. So first of all, it was bound to happen. I have refused to check this knife out, and look at this. I've got the 7.5-inch folding knife. I guess it's gonna happen. We're gonna be doing a review of this knife. Okay. All right, you did it, man. Addicted to Blades, you got me. You got me. The Knight's Edge will be, Neil, he'll be really happy to see this. So there you go, guys. Future review coming. Don't expect me to be nice just because, you know, whatever, but I will keep in mind the cost and what they're doing. So we'll check that out. Man, nice. Smoky Mountain Knife Works, deck of cards. That's really nice. That'll be great for a giveaway. Do something kind for someone. This is Zach's stuff. Definitely check out Zach's stuff. He had a live today. Oh, look at that. Smoky Mountain Knife, 40 years with a magnet. That's super cool. That'll be super awesome. What do we have? Oh, just paper. All right, so we have something. Well, let's go look at this. We got a multi-tool. We have Realtree Edge. So this is a 3-in-1 stainless steel knife, bottle opener, and LED light. Okay, so that's an LED. Oh, there's the LED light. There's the knife. Okay, that'll be a cool little thing. Definitely a fun little thing to add to a giveaway. What do we have here? QSP, a little keychain. I like these. I've actually given some of these away. We'll hold on for that one because that one looks kind of fancy. Oh, yes, sir. We got Addicted to Blades, some cards. Oh, yeah. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's focus in on that, you guys. Take a look at that. Zoom in on that. Scan that. We'll definitely have the links for his YouTube and Instagram. I'll definitely have it in the description below, but if you want to grab that, go for it. But this will be part of giveaways, man, for sure. For sure. Look at that. Addicted to Blades. Definitely going to be including that. And look at that, some big stickers. All right, so one thing, I don't have your sticker on my wall of stickers. I'm going to have to keep one and add this to my wall of stickers because I like to have everybody that I know, people that have given me stickers, people I've talked to, I like to include them on my wall of stickers. And eventually that wall of stickers, which is a corkboard, is going to be enlarged because we have so many stickers. But these will be for giveaways. That's super cool. Thank you, Addicted to Blades, man. I appreciate you. And what do we have here? A Benchmade. No. Okay. Oh, this is, what is this? Oh, it is sharp. He said it was going to be a little crisp. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's super crisp for sure. Is this, it's a QSP. All right, so what do we got going on here? We got a super crisp detent. Yeah, he did say it was pretty strong. Can we get it? Okay, I'm going to try this here. Let's try to get a good grip here. Okay. I can get it, but man, that is a crisp detent. He said this would be a great giveaway knife, and if maybe I could take it apart and figure it out, I think we might be able to yeah, we can take a look at this. Sometimes that could be anywhere from the hole. Yeah, could be the hole. There's some things we could work on there, right? For sure, for sure. I have some ideas of what could be done. It definitely would be a great giveaway knife. Definitely a cool QSP knife right here. I believe, is this, what's his name? Gotta wipe that off because it's got a little oil there. Who is this? This is, it's 14C28N. I want to say the guy who does this design, I can't remember his name, but he does some cool stuff. Oh, it definitely has some, once you get it open, definitely some nice action as far as, you know, action. It's definitely that detent ball is crisp. It is in there. I mean, it might be just a little edge, a little burr, something you can fix. Sometimes that can actually make the world of difference, right? Got to be careful though. When you fix that, sometimes it can make it a little soft. So yeah, we'll work on that and then make this a giveaway. Hopefully I can get this working and be a beautiful giveaway for somebody. Thank you. Thank you. Seriously, thank you. What I'm very excited about is, one, I got some great stickers for the channel. And somebody must have told you about this, or you knew, because this is one of those knives I guess we're going to be reviewing it. Thank you, Addicted to Blades. I guess I'm going to be reviewing it. Yeah. All right. That'll be fun. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate you for all the swag, for the giveaways. Appreciate you. Sincerely. I really do appreciate you. You know what? Since we're here, let's just do this. All right, first of all, so there's a couple of things that I can do. There's a quick thing. So let me, I'm going to try one thing. It's kind of simple, but give me a second. Before I take the knife apart, you know how when you fix a centering, sometimes you can, now it's going to be a little challenging to get that in there. Okay, good. So now what I need to do, this is going a little pressure, and I'm going to work that in and out, because there could be a little burr, it could be a little lip, a little something that's trying to overcome. Okay, let's see if that does anything. Okay. That did change things. That did change things. It was really, really rough. So now we put a little thicker piece in there. The problem is just getting it closed. Sometimes that can be too thick to close it. Yeah, that might be too much. Yeah, let's try, maybe we'll do a fold like that. All right, I was hoping I could get a little thicker piece in there. That's always challenging to do. Let's see, maybe we can do that. Can we get that in there? It's just, I'm like right at the, yeah, okay, I can get that in there. I just need it to go past there. What am I doing over here? I can definitely thumb flick it. Before it was really challenging. Can I do the reverse? I can do the thumb this time. It's really stiff. Okay. This is going to have to be a task. I'm afraid if I do this can take way longer, because there's several things we can do to fix it. But as you can tell, that did sort of immediately sort of do some changes, which is kind of hopeful for me. I think it's kind of cool. I like that. It definitely gives me a little bit of hope. If I can just get that little piece in there and close. I think I'm just really close, because it's just a little, yeah, it's just too thick. Just too thick. Why is that? That's a double fold. And that one, maybe, can I do that? Let's see. It's probably about the same as the other one over there. I don't know. Okay. Oh, no, that's definitely a little stiffer. Okay. Oh, yeah. All right, so now we got a little extra pressure. I mean, this is sort of the very basic what you do. I mean, you do take it apart. I can probably lighten that detent just a little bit, because it's pretty stiff. I will tell you that. When you try to release that detent, it is harsh, and I can tell, like when I push this in, I have to really push hard to clear that to get in there. Okay. Definitely easier. Definitely easier. Okay. Ooh, I finally got that. You see that? We got the reversal. Okay, so we're getting there. We're getting there. So that definitely fixed a little bit of that super crisp detent. So I suspect, without looking at it, that the detent was probably very sharp edged. Might even had just a little bit of a burr, or maybe a burr this way, not this way, because this way it would have opened really easily. Closing, it would just popped over it. But when you close, it might have just a little burr inside for the ball hit, and then it's an extra pressure. And so if it's straight, the force is only going this way. But if there's just a little bit of a burr sticking out, extra force has to come up to overcome that little ramp to come over. And so what we're doing is we're forcing a little extra pressure in there to kind of overcome that. So yeah, I mean, I'm able to flip it now. Before, when I first got this, boy, this thing was, well, I thought I was able to flip it. Let's see. Ooh, maybe not. It's a challenging one. All right, so we'll work on that one. Definitely some hope for that one. All right, I'm gonna look at this. I'm going to look at this. So I'm assuming I'll save this because this will be a giveaway, I'm sure. All right. Ozark Trail. What is this called again? Ozark Trail, is that the name of it? Ozark Trail? Ozark Trail 7.5 silver shaft. The silver shaft. That just doesn't sound right. Okay, Ozark Trail. This is like a $10, $15 knife, okay? It's got omega springs. It's got to have omega springs. This is like FNR skills. Let's see. I hear, yeah, it definitely flexes. You can see it's FNR. Steel right there. Interesting blade shape to that steel, for sure, okay? I'm not sure. I think that's Torx. I've never seen it look exactly like that, but there you go. A couple of standoffs. Ironically enough, this is a hollow grind with a swedge. Okay, for 10, 15 bucks, it opens and closes pretty easily. All right, I hear it's D2 steel. Does it show on here somewhere? It's D2. Does it say on here? Oh, this one said no. This one said it was what? Did it say D2? What did it say on here? I have no idea what the steel is on this one. Stainless steel blade, so definitely not D2. This is stainless steel. So maybe this is even cheaper than the D2. There's nothing that tells me this is D2. I see no indications anywhere that this is D2. And if you guys know, let me know. Omega springs, yeah, I mean, I cannot believe that. This feels like, no offense, but this feels like a Temu purchase. You know what I mean? Feels like something you got on Temu that was just a clone of something. I don't know. Just to be fair, that's the feel I'm getting. I could be wrong. I'm sorry, but yeah, definitely interesting. All right, so impressions are, I mean, you have sharp edges for, what is this, like 10, 15 bucks? Hollow grind, Cerakoted or whatever, painted, I'm not sure what it is. It opens and closes just like a regular knife. Someone's, you know, it's got somewhat jimping here. It is, it works. But I always feel like you get what you pay for, right? Let's see. It does have a little rock there. A little rock there. Yeah, you can definitely feel that axis kind of going over the bar back there, so that does work. It does have these little thumb studs. They're not bad. All right. I don't know what to say. First impressions aren't, it's cheap. It's cheap. There's no question about it. But it works. And for what the price that they're talking about, it's not terrible. I'm not a fan. I don't love it. I don't absolutely hate it. That's as best as you're going to get from me. This has a lot of hope. I think I can get this thing working beautifully, and that'll be a beautiful giveaway. This will be a fun secondary giveaway that I would caution anyone to use because, you know, the materials. I just don't feel confident with FRN and stainless steel. So, I mean, I hear people say it's D2. I don't see anywhere where it says D2. All I see is stainless steel. There's nothing that tells me that this is D2 anywhere. So you guys, if you know, if there's like a little hidden secret code on here somewhere that says D2 that I'm just not seeing, let me know. But this one's stainless steel. It's definitely not the D2 version. So interesting. All right, so that was fun. We'll definitely probably have a review. I'm not sure if it's going to be an in-depth review. I'm going to try to be fair. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a review. I don't have a lot to say about this. I will maybe talk about it in the live streams. I can't review something I don't know what the details about it, right? I can tell you it's an axis lock. I can tell it opens and closes. It works. It's gritty. It's crunchy. This is cool, but this absolutely needs to be fixed, right? But we already fixed what felt like was an impossible D10 to open to now. Let's see here. Yeah, I can absolutely flip this. I'm not having to do the like rip my skin off kind of push now. It actually works. So I definitely think it was something with the shape of the detent hole and the detent ball rolling in and out of that. So, you know, sometimes just a wear in a track, try to say that 10 times quickly, can help. But that's very cool. Very, very cool. Interesting little knife. This one will be fun. I think we'll get this one working. It'll be a nice little giveaway. I think people will enjoy that. I don't remember how much these are. It is 14C28N, which is not bad. It's great budget steel, right? We just got to fix that detent. It's a crispy one. And then some of these other cool things. The little multi-tool, this will be a fun little giveaway, and add a little keychain to stuff. And then, of course, the Smoky Mountain Knife Works stuff. And I think the Zach stuff's Do Something Kind for Someone. I love that. I've embraced that here on this channel as well. You know, do something kind for someone. I'm all about that. So appreciate Zach and appreciate everyone in the community embracing that, because, you know, we got to do something kind for someone. Everyone needs a little kindness here and there. Sometimes that's the difference, right? It changes their life. All right. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you, sincerely, thank you to everyone out there who watches, who enjoys the content, is part of the community, part of the live stream. I appreciate you guys. I really do. If you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to my channel members. I appreciate you. You guys do two things for me. You encourage me. As I do this part-time, sometimes I just need a little encouragement, like a workout buddy. I appreciate that. The other thing is, because of your generosity, you allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to. Legitimately appreciate that, and thank you. You allow me to do once-a-week giveaways. You allow me to do check out knives and cover costs, because it gets expensive, and I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you, guys. As a way for me to say thank you, I do two exclusive things for my channel members. One, I do a once-a-month members exclusive giveaway. Usually something nicer than the weekly budget banger giveaways I do for everybody, right? Something that's, you know, at least $100 or more, something that you would enjoy. Secondly, I also like to do, like to give all brand new channel members a channel sticker and a little thank you note. So that kind of applies to anybody who is, you know, either just became a channel member and is currently a channel member, or was a channel member all along and never asked me, never emailed me, or was a channel member, lost their membership, and then came back, became a member again. If you are currently actively a channel member, you've never asked for a channel sticker, never received a channel sticker, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. All right, appreciate you guys. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.